Welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Marquee tool in Photoshop. Simply head over to the selection tool where you will find different types of Marquee tool: rectangular, elliptical, row, and many more. We will choose rectangular for this video. The keyboard shortcut is M for Marquee tool. If you want to delete a part from your image, you can simply do that by using Marquee tool. Just select the image and press delete on your keyboard. If you look at the top left, you will see some options. The first option is called new selection. It allows you to select new things every single time. The second option is called add to selection. If I have already selected some new things, then I can add more new things by doing that. The third option is called subtract from selection. If I only want to delete the upper body of this character and keep the shadows and his feet, then I can do that by using this tool. The last option is called interselect the selection. It is a bit weird. What it really does is it selects the center part of everything you have already selected. You can do different cool things with Marquee selection. For example, you can only change the color of your selection. So I want to put red in the photo, then I want to put yellow or any color in the photo. So it was a simple video. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.